For the design process of my final prototype, I first started by empathizing, so going out and trying those different types of seating, figured out what made seating valuable. Then I moved on to defining the goal for what I wanted my seating arrangement to look like. So I wanted to create a comfortable space for students. That was my main goal. Then started generating solutions, and you can see my drawing on the right. So then I began to generate my prototype solution. I did this in SolidWorks to help kind of get an idea of what I wanted my final chair to look like. I then moved on to my final physical model, which was 3D printed, and I hand sewed the little pillow on the chair and I hand painted the table. So, some of the key features I have here: the desk is swivel, allowing you to get in easy, and it makes it easy for both left and right handed people to have rest for their arms. So, a large desk space, and then also very ergonomic, so we can sit down for long periods of time and study appropriately. So this was the best option because it was very comfortable, it was low in cost, variable social impact, so you can group these chairs together if wanted, or you could have it separate by yourself, which is usually what I prefer. It's also very sleek and aesthetic, and it is very accessible for all types of students, which makes it very valuable as a final solution. So the most important things I learned is that the design process is iterative. There's a lot of going back, refining ideas. I also learned that there is a lot that goes into something as simple as a seating space. A lot more thought goes into it than you might originally think. And I also learned how technical skills can be incorporated into design. So it was very nice to include my SolidWorks skills into creating something like a chair. I thought that was very interesting. So overall, it was a very informative process, and I learned a lot about design.